Hi, ZK Squad. My name is Zach.
And I'm Kaya.
And we are
Zackaia. And so today we are eating Buffalo Wild Wings. We have a lot of stuff up here. So we have...
Because we're fat.
So we have fries, regular fries for me.
Cheese fries.
Yeah, cheese fries. And then I got buffalo.
Barbecue?
Barbecue. Bone-out wings. And
I got Parmesan garlic wings. Although we're going to probably be sharing the wings.
yeah. And then we have our Southwestern ranch. This is the best ranch for Buffalo Wild Wings, so I have to try it. And then we have cheese curds.
Cheese curds.
Yummy. And then we have fried pickles.
Mozzarella sticks.
And corn dogs.
We eating good tonight.
Right.
Like true fat people.
And so we are doing a challenge. And that challenge is...
The Stop Challenge.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah. All right, so you want to go over the premise of the game?
Sure. So, whenever we start eating, we have to tell the other person to stop whatever they're doing. So if they're in the middle of eating or something, they have to stop like that. So they can't eat until we unpause them. Okay, so you can go. Jeez. All right. So we're gonna start eating first, and then get into the challenge.
We're gonna get into the challenge as we eat. All right.
Oh, some cheese curds. I love cheese curds.
You are so cute, babe.
Thanks.
This is the cutest girl in the world.
Aww.
Cuter than all y'all.
Exactly. Period.
All right.
Bum, 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 bum. Sorry. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Very.
Try one of these.
I don't like pickles.
Let's try one.
Mm.
I can do this one. I'm not. Eat it. Good, huh?
I do not like pickles.
It's good though. I'm always dancing.
Yep.
What is this?
This is a tiny wing.
What is this? No, you can't eat it.
Oh. I'll try these.
What is that?
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
Two?
No.
Okay, two?
Let's try one of these. I'm gonna try his. Cheese fries. Cheese and bacon fries.
There's so much saliva in the middle.
They're pretty good, Zachary.
No more.
Alright, you can go.
Got an entire wing in my mouth.
Don't put your rings in my mouth.
Don't be mouthing me.
Sorry.
You better be.
We can box right now. I win. I won.
I don't think so.
I think so. You want to win.
What?
You want to win.
Pause.
Oh.
Now you know how I feel. I was having a bunch of saliva in my mouth, and it's just pools in there.
Uh-huh. This is ours.
I'm gonna try a barbecue wing.
Delicious one.
What?
Okay.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
I can't understand you. You have a mozzarella stick in your mouth.
Oh, it's kind of soggy. It's gross.
Good. Oh.
I was so young. Oh,
Unpause.
Pause.
Ah. Is this how we're gonna do it? Alright.
Let's try the biggest one here. Yeah. Pretty good. Not as good as barbecue though.
What is getting gross?
Oh, pause. So good.
Pause.
Oh, my nose.
Oh, do you have to sneeze?
No.
You lost!
Nuh-uh.
You lost! You moved! You moved!
Nuh-uh.
You moved!
I was moving the last
You
time.
moved!
I was moving the last time.
But you went moving.
Babe,
with
my
your-
nose. You want okay. I'm gonna sneeze on you next time.
You better not.
I will. Can I pause?
I'm gonna try these.
They're good.
You already have them? I didn't even see you get one.
This is literally soaking in ranch.
Good.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I should burp in your face. Hey, Ruby. Baby. Baby, come on. My arm is getting tired. Come on. Okay, come on. I hate you. Can I pause?
Unpause.
So rude. How am I still soaking in ranch? How rude. How rude. Pause. Okay, doggies, eat it.
Do you see what you just did? I guess now nobody can have it.
Dogs can.
Fine, yeah, the dogs can. I think I just lost. I'm gonna move my head forward like that. Dang it.
This stuff is good. No, you can't do that.
This went from being a mukbang to a makeup tutorial.
Okay, so first you get some ketchup. These are really good. I might eat all of these.
You better not. I am paused now.
You had me chilling there for a second, a hot minute. So I'm gonna use your fingers too.
You have your own.
No.
You are so rude.
I'm paused. What? I'm sorry.
Yeah, because of you.
It was Casper. Casper did it. No, you didn't take some. Are you not gonna eat these?
I'm gonna eat them.
We should got our barbecue.
I'm gonna eat these.
Eat them then. Well,
I like barbecue.
We should have got our barbecue then.
I like these too.
Zachary, we should have got a small thing in those.
Oops. Ooh.
You ain't got no brain.
Do you see what I have to put up with? All day.
What?
All this.
I'm just speaking facts. That's his favorite word. Or, I don't know. It's true.
Yeah, that's why I did a little of this. Like,
I don't know. You get I don't know me all day. I don't know. Pause. Thank you, sir. Zachary, you can't do that.
yeah, I
Can't do
can.
that.
I can do that. I'm paused.
I made your last barbecue, so you can have it.
You're so rude.
So good. I'm gonna put it in my bag. No more barbecue. Pull up. Look at how much.
Because I'm eating everything else.
Because he been eating the barbecue.
That too, but still. I unpaused now.
I paused.
It was all up in the fries.
All up in it like Bennett.
I'm just happy there isn't like cheese sauce inside it, like in it.
Your hands would have been destroyed for real.
That's her happy food dance.
That is the I haven't eaten all day dance.
What did you have today? Did you seriously have nothing?
6:49. I had a sandwich, a dry sandwich.
That's it?
Yeah.
Dang.
And that was at like 12 o'clock.
Dang. I mean, at least I had like breakfast and lunch. I had lunch at work, just like a ham and cheese sandwich, a little thing of Pringles. I had the zebra cakes, and then I had a Gatorade. Yeah.
And I have
Great
a
meal
dry
for-
ham and cheese sandwich.
It was a good meal for in the middle of work. I loved it.
Pause. You just can't pause all the time.
You were.
You need to step up your game. Keep that.
Do not see those ones over there.
Huh? It's on the floor? What?
I'm drooling.
You're drooling?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It's getting soggy.
Thank you. All of them. That was good. Oh. Oh, you still paused? Stay like that. Oh. So this is story time, guys. Story time with Kaya. So, you wanna know what Zach did? He messed up real bad. Everything. He wrote everything.
I'm not talking about that.
So, one day, I was getting off the bus, right? And I was walking home, right? And then, out of nowhere, I just see this dude on the sidewalk begging for money and food because he's broke and homeless. And so, I was like, I'm sorry, I ain't got no food or no money. And you know what he did? He attacked me. He attacked me. And I woke up from my dream. The end. I'm paused. Oh. Pretty sure people thought that was real until I said that.
Probably. You were so rude for eating half, like the rest of, or like part of my mozzarella steak. You were so rude. Pause.
Baby, you can't put that on me though. That's not fair.
What you mean that's not fair? You've been putting a bunch of sauces on me. Here you go. On your nose, on your forehead,
No, my
on
eye.
both cheeks.
It's on my eye.
Oh, dang. Well, that sucks.
Baby, no. I only put it on your lips, not your forehead. Zackaia! This is going on your shirt.
It better not.
It will.
No, I need this shirt for work.
You got two other ones.
What?
Learn how to
No.
Learn how to wash. Excuse me.
That's why you're gonna be staying paused for a while.
You like my new makeup?
She's Simba.
Shut up. And you're ugly. Just kidding. Zachary, and pause.
Why?
Pause. Zachary! Zachary!
Why should I?
Did you love me?
Yeah, that's true. But you will not put it on my shirt.
Okay.
Pinky promise?
I promise.
Good. No, you can't back away from that.
Okay, I won't.
You
babe.
won't?
Babe, I
Promise?
I promise.
Pinky promise you're not gonna.
I promise.
You pinky promise. You
I
promise.
promise. Pinky promise.
Okay, unpause.
Pause!
Well, I mean,
Sorry, I had to wipe off my hands. Ugh. I have mozzarella dust on my forehead, and I'm gonna break out now. I don't ever break out. My beautiful skin. Okay, another story time with Kaya. So, I feel like I still have the mark. Do I still have a mark?
Maybe.
Baby, it's probably staying in my forehead.
No, you. Oh, it just came off. It just.
I feel like I still have a
You
mark.
still got crumbs.
Where?
I ain't telling you.
Baby,
Oh, you got it.
there. Okay, another story time with Kaya. I didn't fart. No, look, it was a chair. It was a chair. Look, I promise it's a chair.
She's just farting over and
No,
over
look.
again.
Shut up.
I'm kidding.
Like you do every day. And trap me. Okay, another story time with Kaya.
Ruby's over here begging.
So, oh yeah, huh?
You jerk.
Okay.
You are a jerk.
So, story time with Kaya. So,
Let's say, are we gonna actually start the story, or are you just gonna stay paused like that?
story time with Kaya. For the third time. I was.
Quit eating all the mini corn dogs.
And if I did?
I'm gonna be mad.
Okay.
Babe, no!
So, one day, I came to see Zach. And, and he was downstairs. And you know what I saw him do? He was twerking to some Ariana Grande. Straight twerk. I'm like, what? And then I woke up from my dream. And that's it.
God, you're so weird.
Maybe so to eat those.
I would if I was unpaused.
You were eating your cheese fries, first of all.
Well, let me unpause.
I'm paused.
Pause.
There are only 2 left. I wasn't gonna eat those.
Oh God, just getting.
I got mozzarella dust on my hair, so that's what you get.
Huh?
I have mozzarella dust in my hair, so
It's been on 2 foreheads.
eat it.
No.
You should do a story time.
I'm not good at telling stories. It's on my shirt.
Wasn't me. That wasn't me. I clearly put it on your forehead. You put it on your shirt. Excuse me, I don't want to keep on burping. Babe, this cheese curd is gross. It's soggy now.
Good.
Not good. I don't want to eat it. That was good. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Very.
That's good. Baby. Baby, it's literally chilling in my mouth. It's simmering. Saliva.
It's in a sauna.
Literally. Hey, come on. Stop dancing. See, this is what he's doing. We're twerking.
Still got a little bit right here.
Oh, jeez. He's scared. Ew. Come on. Oh, I almost dropped this.
You almost dropped it? Dang. You'd have to clean it up.
You will have to clean it. I was not going to see nothing.
Oh, right.
Yes, come on.
I'm afraid of what you're gonna do if I
Come
say
on. I won't
unpause.
do nothing, man. Come on.
Unpause.
Pause.
I knew it! I knew it!
Story time with Kyle.
Again?
Yeah. So, one day, I was sitting at home, And
just a second. Ruby is like breathing.
don't
hot
interrupt.
air
Don't
on my
interrupt.
hand.
Good. Anyway, let me. I was staying at home, laying in my bed, right?
It's so weird. I feel like I'm gonna have condensation on my wrist.
And I hear stuff in my closet, right? And I was like, someone trying to come kill me? Someone trying to come kill me? I literally kept on hearing stuff in my closet. So then, that goes away for like 5 minutes. And then, I was gonna poop my pants. And then, I hear stuff and my closet door opens. I was like, Jesus, is that you? I thought I was gonna get saved, but no!
You're already saved.
I thought that was my time to go. And then I get up and turn on my light to go check what's in my closet, right? And you want to know what I saw at my door? My cat. What? I literally almost put my pants, actually. Literally, my cat was stuck in my closet. Like, that's what you get. And that's actually a real story. That happened to me on Saturday.
It is true. Quit playing with that.
Sorry. Okay, I'm pausing.
What's up, Roots?
Stand left. Stand left.
That's going in the video.
Good.
Good? Okay.
Think you hear my singing skills?
Stuff is getting cold.
Can I sing? Can I sing? Can I sing?
Mm-hmm.
I can.
Mm-hmm.
Like a dying cat.
No.
I sing like a dying cat. I was like, that's me. Can you sing?
I think I can, yeah.
Sing for us.
Zackaia. Why are you gonna put me on the spot?
Sing. Like a singing skills.
Clear my throat.
Fries for everyone. Sing.
Alright.
He still ain't singing. Come on. Once upon a time.
Alright, here we go. I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah.
Pause. Perfect. Bravo. Woo!
Thanks, Ben.
Crowd goes wild. Can't pause. Good time.
Thanks, Ben. Hallelujah.
Pause. Can you stop singing now?
I'm going to finish it at least.
Okay, I'm pause. Here you go.
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Yeah. Good job.
Thanks, babe.
Ruby, sing. Can't sing.
I think Misha can speak. You want to know what she sounds like whenever she does like talk? She goes row 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 row. It's the funniest thing. One of these days I'm gonna catch it on video. It's the most hilarious thing ever.
Yeah. But literally, just now, her hair was like, huh?
It won't look.
Right. I think I'm done.
You think you're done? She can sing better than this.
I'm in the ghetto. When I saw on TikTok, he was like, I'm in the country. Oh, damn. But there's this one gay dude on TikTok that he said, I'm in the ghetto. This is how it sounds fun. He was like, I'm in the ghetto. Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta. I was like, what? It was hilarious.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done eating.
You done?
Look at these fries. I literally have like 6 pieces. You want some fries?
Oh.
Hallelujah. Oh, she talked to me.
There's one right here, Roots. There's one right here, Ding Dong. Ruby, look downstairs.
Look downstairs! We are downstairs. I'm dead. Are you gonna do it? I'm gonna do it. My fries
Yeah,
are pretty much gone.
I'm gonna call it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay loving. My name is Zach.
And I'm Kaya.
And we are
Zackaia.
Zackaia.
Bye.
Bye, ZK Squad. Say bye, Pops.